Kiana, eating sugar, telling a lie, open your mouth, okay, come. Kiana, eating sugar, telling a lie, open your mouth.
Open your mouth.
Kiana, eating sugar, telling a lie, open your mouth. Kiana, eating sugar, open your mouth. Kiana, eating banana. Kiana, are you eating banana? Kiana.
Eating soda. Daddy, nice. Open your mouth. Oh no. I want to see. Tiana. I want to see.
Kiana, come on.
Tiana. Eating soda. Open your mouth. Oh no. I want to die. I want to see.
No. She's driving. She's
I want to see. And to start out. No. Yeah.
Kuya. Si Kianang maganda, kamukha ng ate niya. Si Kianang maganda, kamukha ng kuya niya.
I say.
I love my apo. Yeah, I love Paulo. I love Ate Pauline. I love Kiana. I love Kiondre. I love Kai.
Dion.
I love Kion.
I want to go to Dion's house.
You want to go Kion's house?
Yeah.
Let's go there.
Yeah.
Let's visit Kiondre.
Yeah, let's go to the house. No.
Ate, Kian is going to Ate's. Come on, go to your ate. Paulo, no, don't do that.
Right now.
Okay, come to mama.
Wait, just don't Janice up
Okay.
there.
You are very foggy, like mama. See, oh, looks like mama. Oh, you looks like mama. Hello. We're here in the Philippines. You know, Paulo is a good dancer. No, don't do that to Kiana.
I want to go up there.
Paulo is a good dancer. Enough na Paulo, I will turn up na this.
No.
Okay, you stay here with mama.
Yeah.
Okay, I will turn up na. Bye-bye.
No.
See you.
These two. These two.
Hey.
I see.
Sabi ko kay Paolo, you don't like to brush stick. Ate, look at my teeth. You have to brush your teeth. Dito pa si Ninang Yaya, tagal.
No, no, no. I think
Kuya. Why? Why, Kiana, look, Kiana. Why? Nilagay mo kay Kiana.
Hello, guys. It's my baby.
You talk.
I see. Bye bye. Stop! Aso. What out?
Kuya, baka mauntog yan. Paula, tignan mo yun. Baka mauntog sa kama si Kiana. Kiana, okay, you play na.
Hey, I want to splash him! I want to splash him!
Baby Paolo, are you happy?
Yes.
Octopus happy. Look at this.
Mm.
Yes.
Kapag ganito lang tayo anak, mga hindi marunong lumangoy, ganito lang.
Walang karapatang mag-swimming, di mga marunong lumangoy yan. Diyan lang kayo, sa parking ni Daddy.
Sa party po.
Party. Party.
Hindi na siya nilalamig na.
Ayan, di na.
I want to see.
Nagulat lang kasi sanay siya sa hot water eh. Kuya, no!
Oh, this dog.
She's small pa, baby. She's still a baby.
Oh, this is what it say. Wednesday said. Mommy, look at this Wednesday. Mommy, look at this. Wednesday.
What is this, love? Ano daw nakasulat?
Cautious. Caution.
Hey,
Maximum
take
height to fill water.
Yes.
Do not overfill.
Really cool. Don't.
No, maximum height to fill water. Do not overfill.
Hanggang dyan lang ang limit ng water nyo, dun sa line. That's maximum.
Kiana. Hindi ka pa madudulas.
Oh my goodness.
Kailangan talaga may kasama ka, anak dito.
Oh, hindi pwede, wala.
The water.
Oo.
Wait lang. Okay. It's summer in the Philippines. Video. Kiana. Kiana. What a big pool. Kiana. Oh, it's cold. It's cold.
Bigyan mo ng ano.
Kaya kasama mami. Si mami kasama.
Mommy said to swim. Mommy.
Mami gonna swim daw.
Yung kay Court maliit lang ng dito ng konti eh.
Okay na yan.
Patsi-patsi yung gano'n.
Okay na yan. Basta gada summer, pagkatapos after summer, tabi niyo sa
Maganda
mga.
yung feeling yung sa paa.
Oh, tinan mo, it's cold daw. Giniginaw naman
Cold,
ng
cold?
baby. It's cold. Si ate, meron siyang practice
Kuya, your face.
for tomorrow.
Dali, dali.
Come
Hold your
on.
breath, hold your breath.
One.
No, not that.
No, not yet.
Try ka ni ate doon.
Daddy,
Ate, 20 seconds.
Daddy, look at this.
Oh, wow, swimming.
Yeah.
Mas lalo ka kasi anak maalala.
Giniginaw si Kiana. Ayaw. Naku, nilalamig.
Kapag
Look,
hindi ka basa.
look, nanginginig, nanginginig. Nanginginig, nanginginig. Oh, look, look. Tignan mo yung katawan.
Kailangan kasi basahin yung katawan.
Kaya, she's shaking.
Kailangan basa ka to.
Oy, shaking siya. Baka magkasakit ah. She's
Magaling mo na
shaking.
yan para maarawan.
She's shaking.
Take that, mommy. Yeah, baby.
Oh, wala pa baby, oh.
Take that. No.
Hindi na magsuswimming sa pool. Dito na lang tayo. May pool na kayo. Bumili na lang si mami at si daddy. Bumili ng pool. Diyan na rin ako magsuswimming.
My feet is swimming.
Sabi ko nga kay Gypsy, huwag nang ibili ng pool. Hindi namin.
Sayang.
Hanapin mo.
At saka expected nila, may pool sila. Ay, nakainom ng water!
Take that.
Buti na lang, kayo lang naman
Tayo,
nagbabad.
dito tayo. Dito ka, Paolo.
At least malinis yung water.
Ha?
Ilang calorie.
Sabi ko, huwag na ibili yung pool. Late kasi
Mas dati ibaba mo nga yung slide. Nasa ibaba ng cabinet.
hindi naka-fix yun. May,
Ah, o yung nga yung slide.
may
Maganda
mga,
yun.
ano yun, kapag slide si Kiana doon, may hiwa lang siya.
Ay, gano'n, maano na.
Nilagyan mo ng tape. Nilagyan lang natin yun ng tape dati.
Dapat yung tape na matibay, hindi electrical tape o
Yung tape na packaging na makapal. Lalamig. Kailangan mo kasi anak mabasa para...
Lumubog ka, upo ka para yung hindi mo is... She's shaking.
It's shaking, baby.
Kiana's shaking.
Oh, don't do that to Melissa.